If you don't watch this video to the end, you'll be missing out on key recovery techniques, increasing the odds of injury, and be staying sore and stiff for much longer periods of time. This video will provide you with exponential value, which means that every single time you go for a run, this video will provide you with value. Hi, my name is Armando Cruz, and I'm a national caliber high school runner who's trained under and consulted with some of the best coaches and physical therapists in the entire country. This video is to teach you how to formal correctly, more efficiently, faster, and get the better results that you've ever seen. Now, what does foam rolling even do? Foam rolling can lead to improved blood circulation, increased running efficiency, and increased running form. What this means is, whenever you get your blood circulating to an area, you're going to decrease soreness and you're going to decrease recovery time in that area, which means that you're able to recover faster than ever before. Your running form is also going to improve. When you formal, you're loosening up that area, which means it's able to move freely. When you run and you're all tight and sore, it's like you're being trapped in a cage around you. You're going to be working against your body rather than with your body, which means that you're going to have to put more work into every single stride that you do. Over the course of a run, that can really add up. So doing this quick foam rolling routine before your run will loosen that up and make a huge difference in the long run. Now, I'm going to tell you these 7 exercises that help me and will help you become the best runner that you can be. The first thing that we're going to foam roll is our upper back. You're going to start by laying flat on the floor with your foam roller under your back. You're going to be rolling on your back and forth and back and forth. You're going to be wanting to feel it all throughout near your shoulders, your traps. And after your back, we're going to move on to our glutes. So the way you'll do this is you'll cross one leg over the next, and you'll place your pressure of your hand onto the leg that's being crossed over. You're going to roll back and forth on it. Take a couple of deep breaths and make sure to really feel the foam roll when you're doing it. After you're done with this, you can switch sides. So if you're doing it on your left side, you switch to your right side and vice versa. You're going to keep foam rolling on it, taking deep breaths until you feel like you foam roll enough. Just do it for a little bit. You don't have to be foam rolling forever, just to loosen you up before your run. Next, we're going to move on to our hamstrings. On your hamstrings, you can foam roll either on 2 legs, like I'm doing right now, or on 1 leg, which I'll be doing later. If you want to do it on 1 leg, it'll put more pressure, and if you're doing it on 2 legs, put less pressure. One quick note is that if a particular part of your body is feeling extremely sore, it's better to foam roll your entire body first, go through the whole routine, and then specifically focus on a specific body part. Next, we're going to move on to our calves. For our calves, again, you can foam roll with both of them, or you can do as I'm doing here and foam roll with 1 calf at a time. Again, if you foam roll with 1 calf at a time, it'll put more pressure on it, and especially if you're really sore, or maybe if you're not sore and you just want to feel more of the foam rolling, you can put 1 leg on top of the other, and it'll make a difference. After this, you're going to turn over with your chest facing the floor, and you're going to foam roll your quads. So when you're foam rolling your quads, you just want to, again, foam roll on your quads and just take a deep breath. Count to 10, count to 30. Just do it for a little bit. It's not meant to take forever. It's just meant for you to do it before your run, so that way you can be ready to go. After you're done with the quads, you're going to turn over on your side. You're going to get on the side of your quad, and you're going to be foam rolling your iliotibial band, which is also known as your IT band. You can put your elbow on the floor, so that way you have a little bit more support rather than your hand, so the angle would be better. You just roll back and forth there, all throughout your IT band. And of course, after you're done with, you're going to switch sides onto the other side. This is the second to last exercise, so after this, you'll almost be done with your routine, and you'll be ready to go. The IT band is a commonly under foam roll part of your body, so it's really important to make sure you foam roll it to help reduce the chances of injury and to make sure you're properly warmed up. The last one we're going to foam roll is our adductors. Foam roll your adductors is really important because oftentimes, especially for weight training, doing squats or things like that, they can get really sore, and it's often a spot that's really tight due to the lack of stretching and foam rolling and general work in that area. You're going to lay it with your face down, and you're going to put your inner thigh on the foam roller. Make sure that your opposite hip and your opposite leg is not resting on the floor because you want most of the weight to be on your inner thigh. Give this video a like if it helped you, and comment down any feedback you have below in the comment section. If you want to see more videos just like this one that can help take your running to a whole new level, then subscribe to the channel. I promise you, you won't be disappointed.